If there's one complaint I have about the Galaxy XR, it is quite uncomfortable. Fortunately, there have been some third-party accessory makers that have been starting to make some good accessories that are supposed to alleviate the discomfort of the Galaxy XR. One of them, Tycho Tech, just sent me a variety of things, which I want to show you today. Starting with this comfort head strap. It goes from the front to the back of the headset, and it should help alleviate some of that pain when you have a lot of weight on the forehead by kind of bringing it up like this. Let's see how easy this is to install, and then we'll do a true comfort test once we have it all set up. After the comfort test, we will also do a quick look at this stand, as well as this battery clip and a little proximity sensor cover. First off, we have a very basic head strap, just Velcro, black, no padding or anything. It is nice and stretchy though. It also includes these alcohol prep pads that will allow us to prep the area where we will be sticking on this back piece. And the back piece here has some 3M sticky tape, which I will show you how we are going to use that in a minute. First off, following the instructions that are conveniently linked at this QR code that comes with the package, we first want to install this 3D printed piece on the front part of the headset. And what we're going to do is take off the magnetic forehead mount, very easy. And I'm going to refer real fast to the instructions again, just to make sure I have this right. So it looks like we want this curved downward with this tab facing forward on the headset. And in the headset itself, we have to get under this plastic right here and slide that in. And that was pretty easy, just to kind of use my fingernail and get underneath this part that holds the plastic forehead mount. I'm just going to slide it in here. And that's it. Once it's in there, it just kind of clips against the other end here. And now it feels very secure. So in a minute, I'm going to install this strap through here, which will then be held up against this part here. But first, let's make sure the upgraded forehead mount works nicely on the headset as well. So we took off the forehead mount that comes stock with the Galaxy XR. It's kind of like a neoprene, not super soft material, but it's been decent for me. The creator at Tycho Tech, he said that he really likes this material a bit more. It's like spongier, and then also just kind of Velcros on and off here in order for you to do some easy cleaning if you ever have like a workout session and you get sweaty right here. It comes packaged like this, so all I gotta do is swap these out, and we can see just magnetically pops in right like that. So on the back part that holds the back part of the strap, we have two pieces of adhesive here. We're going to slide this through on the back and try to line it up nice and even here. And then we're left with this part that sticks out just a tiny bit and catches the strap on this end. Tycho Tech also recommends that I heat up the adhesive a bit here with a blow dryer just to make it really do its job. We don't want to melt the adhesive, but just get a little bit warm. So let's do that right now. We got this heated up. We'll prep the area where it's going to be sticky. And now we'll stick it on. Okay, I think I got it nice and centered there, so you can see. And now I'm just going to push and really secure this. And by the way, this is meant to be pulled off, so if you don't like this, then it can easily just come right off. Now, let's get the strap on. I'm thinking maybe it's better to actually put the strap on before doing this attachment here, but we're gonna make it work. It's a very tight fit. Okay, that took a minute, but we got it going now. And now we can see it is pretty secure. He does recommend that we wait a full 12 hours or overnight after getting this sticky part on there to really let it cure and set before messing with it. So I'm gonna do just that, and I will come back and show you what it looks like on my head a little bit later, and we'll do a full comfort test. Okay, I waited a full day just to be safe, and we are back, and we can see the strap looks very nicely secured. I am not worried about this at all. This front point here, again, is kind of gripping on the interior of the plastic, so there's no way that's going anywhere. And then the back part here looks very secure. It's not moving at all. Nicely clipped in on the back here with this nice stretchy strap. Let's put it on and see how it feels. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this. That Velcro is really strong. Okay, here we go. Now I can feel a really nice adjustment here, trying to determine how much I want to get this nice and snug. This feels good. Yeah, I'll tell you immediately, this feels much more comfortable. Having this pulled up a little bit more relieves a lot of pressure I was feeling on the forehead, and this softer forehead mount here actually feels quite nice on the forehead. I was a little worried it might push the lenses out too far, but I am not getting that sense at all. I'm not noticing any impact in my FOV. And yeah, this feels pretty good. Now, we all know an initial feel is not the whole story, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a long session in the headset, and then I will come back and give you a final review.
Michael sitting on his favorite chair, headset on so true. Tycho Tech and Galaxy XR, he's seeing it all through. Is it best in its class? Well, the time lapse tells the tale. A 60-minute comfort ride, how's he gonna feel?
I just got to have a nice 1-hour session with the Galaxy XR and the new top strap solution, with the new forehead mount, of course. And overall, it does feel better. Again, it is nice and secure, no problem holding it from the strap here. Really nice connection, so that was never an issue. I will say, it still didn't feel perfect. I think it was about 30% better in terms of comfort, less pressure on the forehead mainly, but the pressure was still there. After an hour, I was starting to feel a little bit uncomfortable. I kept thinking back to how comfortable is it wearing, let's say, the Vision Pro with the new dual knit strap with the weighted back. I think the Vision Pro is still a bit more comfortable than the Galaxy XR with the top strap. Crazy given how much lighter this device is, but again, it shows with no counterbalance weight in the back. Even with the top strap, it still doesn't feel perfect, but again, this absolutely does reduce some pressure off that forehead. You probably noticed in the time lapse that I did adjust this top strap a few times because again, with any variable strap system like this, you do have to play around a bit and try to get that right kind of balance there. I will give praise to this forehead mount here. It feels a lot more comfortable compared to Samsung's stock forehead mount. It feels softer, a little bit more cushiony, and also doesn't really get as warm. It feels like there's a bit better kind of airflow with this material. So I do really like this forehead mount. So altogether, definitely worth grabbing in my opinion. I would say don't expect a miracle, but it does reduce some of the weight issues, the forehead pressure issues from the stock setup. And I didn't forget the proximity sensor is really nice, super easy to take on and off and slide forward and back against that sensor. What it does is when it's over the proximity sensor, it will trick the device into thinking that you are still wearing it. Therefore, the screens will not shut off when you take it off. So it's great for, let's say if you want to film something through the headset, or if you want to pass the headset to a friend, you can set up whatever you want to set up in the headset, take it off, put it on somebody else. The device never knew that it went to somebody else. And then of course the stand, really nice way to kind of upgrade the look of the headset when it's not on. You can have it nicely kind of propped up on your desk, and that is what it looks like. Super happy with that as well. And the battery clip, the battery just slides in really nice and tight, very secure. Clip it anywhere on the outside of your pants, and it keeps the cord out of the way and keeps your pockets clear. So again, check out Tycho Tech. They've got some cool accessories, not just for the Galaxy XR, but for other headsets as well. And otherwise, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.